Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fuchsia pink eye makeup look. So this is a matte eye makeup look, but you can also add glitter on top of this matte look to make it more shimmery and glittery. And you can also change this fuchsia pink color with some light pink or some other pink or any other color to just create a very beautiful smoky eye makeup look. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you just have to prime your eyelids using some concealer, and I'm using this Age Divine concealer from Maybelline, and I'm going to prime my eyelids using this concealer. Next, I'm using this Rimmel pressed powder to set my concealer. And for this eye look, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And firstly, I'm going to take the shade Demure, and this is going to be my transition color. And with the help of a blending brush, I'm going to start blending this above my crease line. Next up, I'm using the shade Henna to deepen this transition color, but I'm also going to keep this closer to my crease, and I'm going to blend this out with the transition color to give me that gradient. And now I'm using the shade Cocoa on the outer corner or the outer V of the eye, and I'm slowly packing the color as well as blending it out with a small blending brush to deepen the outer corner. Now I'm using the shade Rescue, and I'm going to place it in my crease and blend it gently just to deepen up my crease area. Now I'm going to use some concealer to cover out the area where I want to cut the crease, and for that I'm using that same Maybelline concealer. While this concealer is still sticky, I'm going to set it using the shade Doll Face, which is a very pretty fuchsia pink color. And firstly, I use the brush to place this color, and now to build up the intensity of this color, I'm using my finger just to make this color more pop. And now just to intensify the outer corner more, I'm using the shade Black Truffle, which is a black color, and I'm just placing it on my outer corner, and I'm also using this shade to buff out the edges of the pink shade. And now let's move on to the lower lash line, and for that I'm firstly using the shade Doll Face, and I'm just placing this color on my lower lash line. And now I'm using some more of that Black Truffle, which is a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to thicken up my lower lash line. That gives the illusion of bigger eyes, and I'm going to join this color with the top lash line. And now to buff out the edges and to deepen the lower lash line more, I'm using the shade Cocoa on my lower lash line. And now using the shade Moon Dust, I'm going to highlight my inner corners as well as the brow bone area. Now using the Maybelline Kajal, I'm going to tight line my lower and upper waterline. And now coming to the liner, I'm using this Color Bar liquid eyeliner. This is a great liner for people who love eyeliners as it has a very fine brush, so you can really go in and create a very fine and intricate lines with this one. And I've done a very basic and a simple wing eyeliner. Now just curl your eyelashes with the help of an eyelash curler and then apply a nice coat of mascara. Now the mascara I'm using is the Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline, and I'm just going to apply a nice coat of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And I'm not adding falsies in this eye look, but if you want to, then go ahead and add some drama to this eye look. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I really hope that you like it. And yeah, if you recreate this look, please tag me on my social media handles. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.